$50 usually gets you a pair of plastic tin cans that rattle the second you turn the volume up. But Xiaomi decided to flip that script entirely with their latest desktop soundbar. You see it everywhere lately. It is all over those aesthetic desk setup guides, and for a very good reason. They managed to cram 4 separate drivers into this tiny frame. You get 2 full-range speakers and 2 passive radiators. Those radiators are the secret sauce here. They give you that low-end kick and bass resonance without needing a giant subwoofer taking up space under your feet. It feels like a premium configuration that you normally only find when you start looking at gear that costs double or triple this price. One of the smartest things they did was the physical angle of the casing. Most cheap speakers fire sound straight at your chest or your stomach. That is a waste of good audio. This thing has a specific 50-degree upward tilt. It points the sound directly at your ears while it sits under your monitor. It sounds like a small detail, but it makes a massive difference in how clear everything feels. Then you have the processing power inside. There is a dedicated chip that gives you 5 different tuning modes. You can swap between profiles for gaming, movies, or just heavy bass music. It is rare to see that kind of flexibility in the budget category, but the real heavy lifter is the connection method. Everyone sees the USB-C port and thinks it is just for power. It is actually a built-in sound card. When you plug it into a laptop, it completely ignores the cheap, noisy internal audio hardware of your computer. It acts as an external digital to analog converter. This is a massive upgrade for anyone stuck with a budget laptop that sounds thin or crackly. It cleans up the signal before it ever hits the speakers. Of course, it is not perfect. There are some quirks you have to live with. For one, the Bluetooth connection is not truly wireless. You still need to keep the USB cable plugged in for power, even if you are streaming from your phone. Then there is the startup chime. It is loud. It is annoying, and you cannot turn it off. Also, do not expect this to fill a massive living room. This is a personal space tool. It is designed for your desk, for your ears, and for your immediate surroundings. If you try to blast it for a house party, you will hit the volume ceiling pretty fast. But for a gaming setup or a home office, it is punching way above its weight class. It is the kind of value that makes you wonder why other brands are charging so much for basic gear. You get the RGB lighting, the solid build, and that hidden audio processing power all in one sleek package. It is definitely one of the smartest ways to spend $50 if you care about how your daily workspace sounds. It sits there looking sharp with its clean lines and subtle light bar, but the actual utility is what keeps it on the desk. You are getting acoustic engineering that actually considers the physics of how we sit at our computers. Most companies just throw a speaker in a box. Xiaomi actually thought about the listener. They thought about the angle. They thought about the digital signal. It is a rare win for the budget-conscious user who still wants their music to have some soul and their games to have some impact. You do not have to settle for trash anymore. You can have the aesthetic and the performance without breaking the bank.